It is so important to start the day with a win. The positive feeling you get by starting the day with a win. Transfer positive movement to everything you do for the rest of your day. So start your day in control of your mind by programming yourself to do the thing that put you in control. Train your brain to go through the process that work for you. Meditation, gratitude, a solid workout, prayer, whatever process work for you. Suddenly, then you are in control of the day. No matter what happens, you are in control. Because you are in control of your mind, and when you control your mind, you control your reaction. And when you control your reaction, you can find solution for any problem. Imagine. Start every day with that strength. Starting every day with several wins. You are up early and you are up early with passion because the night before you have set an attention for all those things you are going to do that you are excited to accomplish today. You are up and ready to go. You have pulled your brain. I am in charge this morning, so there won't be any poisoning of the brain or unconscious habit by picking up the phone and checking email. You told the brain that I can wait right now. I am programming my mind for my strong future by creating my very best self right now. Just by doing that, you have already had a win. You are in control. You are in control, and that is a huge win. You might that meditation releasing any stress in your body. Another win, maybe you will spend 5 minutes writing down and really feeling everything and everyone you are really grateful to have in your life right now. Another huge win, bring so much power to your day. We are only 25 minutes into the morning. Most people are asleep and you have already had 3 wins. Maybe then you will pray, we ready are a set and attention for the day. How do you want to feel? How do you want to interact with others? What do you want to accomplish? And who do you want to be today? Another win maybe there you will get a strong workout team. Who know you might even be able to push yourself for a PB. Can you go through further than you have ever been? Faster than you have ever been? Live more than you have ever. Go longer, do something you have never done. Live more than you ever have. Go longer, do something you have never done. You can push yourself to pride this morning. That is how you are grow. Continually pushing to another level, another way, maybe more than one by one. How can you push yourself to pride this morning? That is how you growing. Continually pushing to another level, another way, maybe more than one maybe. Now you go home and have a cold shower. Remind your brain who is in charge today. You are your brain says this is a crazy, I don't want to do this. But you have done research. You know this is good for you. You win the mental battle and claim another win. Now you are ready to start the rest of your day, but you are not the same person that started the day only 1 2 hours ago. You are already the different person, the better person, stronger person, and you have started the day how everyone should. Only 1 2 hours ago, you are already the different person, the better, stronger person, and you have started the day. However, one should winning. Your mind is strong, and you are strong than yesterday, stronger than when you began this day. Imagine doing this every day, the growth, expansion of imagine the quality of life you will be living. This is what winners do. The start the day in control, the start with a win, and they can win the life of their choice. Will you join us? If you start your day with a genuine thanks, you are most likely in your day with many more things to say thanks. Almost everything you do from the moment you wake up is a habit. Habit from your past, habit formed by your consistent application, good or bad. What happened do you want to create and what happened do you need to eliminate? What habit will lead you to create better life? What habit will lead to your best life?
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,